Hi, today we'll be analyzing Bank Nifty for 18th Monday. So if you see uh, from here, every time we are making a higher loss and a higher rise, and every time we get a upside rally, we also get the downside rally also. So unless till previous day, that is Friday, the lows are not yet broken. Also, if you see here this zone, this is a very important zone. Previously it acted as a resistance, and now it is somewhat acting as support, but not completely. Means prices are moving in and around this particular zone. So our plan for Monday will be, before that, if we see our options, so this is one interest, change of open interest, 46,500 added more open interest, both CEP both are added. So, and also in C side, a lot of calls are being shorted, and also on PE side there is not much open interest, that too below 46,200, 46,000, 45,800 no open interest here. For T6 400 and some little open interest, and then if you see option chain, by this is 46 400, by end of the day, this is call option price and this is call option OI, this is put option price and put option OI. So after this point, both call and put uh, means OI has been reduced, but if you see, the call OI has reduced a bit more when compared to put. And also the important thing is, uh, for tomorrow, if we get a very big gap down or a gap up, let's say if we get a gap up or a gap, uh, the best trade would be of a very big gap down, and then if we get a very weak uh, selling swing, we could do a contra trade for a sharp reversal till 45, 46, 500, 600 levels. Uh, the first target, the second target would be 48, 800 levels. That is the best trade if we see this the same plan in 5 minutes chart. So this will be our 5 minutes chart. If you see here, uh, the one more important thing is, yesterday once the low was created, and then we were making higher lows only, and also we had made a higher high but could not cross the high of yesterday. And also if you see the options price, 46,000, this is in the money call option. This, if you see, compare it with the spot, this is in the money, this is the open price, this is the low at around 145, this was the high it made, and around 230 this was the low. This low almost broke this particular low, means it traded at the day's low. But if you see Bank Nifty, this was trading comfortably above the day's low, and also it was making higher lows, but here the higher low was broken. And also the retracement from here till here is too much when compared to this one. The price closed here, but the options price closed way below. Let's say if this was the swing, it closed around this particular candle, uh, in options, but the option price closed here. So there is weakness in call side, but in put side also, if you see, once the support was created, we were continuously making lower highs, and also lower low was made. So if you see, our price did not move very close to day side, but here it almost touched day side. This might be also due to a lot of people selling and also time decay. uh, so both are weak. This means maybe in positional, we might see some range, or maybe Bank Nifty can be in this range of 46,500 for 1 or 2 days, maybe with big volatility. So the best trade would be to get a gap down around 40 to, let's say, 300, 400 points gap down, and then make one selling swing, a weaker selling swing, and then a green candle. Once the green candle is broken, we can enter it for a trade till previous day's close. This, if this happens, this would be a sharp reversal, and then the second target would be around 46,800. That's one of the, if this would be the best trade for tomorrow. Let's say if this does not happen, if we don't get a very big gap up or a very big gap down, then we will be looking for a trade which, let's say if we get a 50-100 points gap down and breaks this particular level or this particular trend line, then we'll look for a downside trade only. Then we'll be trading in favor of the gap. If you get a very gap up slightly like 150 or 120 points gap up, then we'll be looking for buying side only. But this buying side may be a little slow on the upside. But if we get a normal gap down, then the selling should be fast. If it is slow, then we'll trail it to cost and leave. If it moves lower, then we'll make money. Or else if it comes back and it's a vessel, we'll not trade much on this day, because if sharp selling should happen, the morning only should go down without reversing too much. That's it. Thank you.